In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Family Library in Google Play Store. If you want to share eligible apps, games, movies, TV shows, or books with members of your household, Family Library is a useful feature to know about. The setup process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your own device without confusion. To begin, open the Play Store on your device. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for your family group, since this account will be used during the setup process. Once the Play Store is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly. Next, go to your profile and tap Settings. You'll usually find your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. After tapping it, a menu will open, and from there you can select Settings. This is where Google Play keeps account-related options, payment preferences, and family features, so you're in the right place. Inside Settings, tap Family. Depending on your device or Play Store version, you may need to expand a section before you see it, so don't worry if the layout looks slightly different from what you expected. Just look for the Family option and open it to continue. Then tap Sign up for Family Library. This is the option that starts the setup process for sharing eligible Google Play purchases with your family group. If you don't immediately see it, double check that you're still under the Family section and that your Play Store app is up to date. After that, choose Sign up for Family Library and follow the on-screen instructions. Google will guide you through the remaining setup screens, and this part may include reviewing how Family Library works, confirming payment or family group details, and choosing sharing preferences. Read each screen carefully before continuing so you know exactly what's being enabled. As you complete the prompts, take your time and make sure the information shown is correct. Since the final steps happen directly inside Google Play, the app will guide you through anything specific that applies to your account. And that's it. Once you finish the on-screen setup, your family library will be ready to use. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to follow along with it again while setting things up on your own device, and you should be able to complete the process smoothly.